All right, we got number 3 here. Looks like we have x squared minus 6x and then minus 7. I think that's minus. Okay. And so, looks like we're factoring another trinomial here. We're going to use our beautiful magic x here. Wee. In this case, our a is 1. Okay? So a lot of times you'll see that. A is 1. B is negative 6. Because it always includes a sign. Don't forget the sign in front. Okay? Then C is negative 7. Remember what goes in the top here. We have A times C. Well, what is A times C? That's 1 multiplied times negative 7. That's going to give us negative 7. And then B in the bottom is just the negative 6 by itself. Okay? So we have to have two numbers that multiply to give me negative 7. So we have to factor it because that's how we find the two numbers that multiply to give us negative 7. And then they also have to add to give us negative 6. Okay. And remember, they can be any combination of positive and negative. So the left could be negative. It could be positive, negative. It could be negative, negative. Or it could be positive, positive. It could be any one of 4 of those scenarios. Okay. Now, so we start with 1. 1 times what is equal to 7? Negative 7. That would be 7. One of them has to be negative, obviously, because 7 is negative. What we're looking for is negative. 2, is it an even number? No. 3, no. 4, no. 5, no. 6, no. 7. Well, it turned around. 7 and 1. So the only factors is 1 and 7. All right, so that means one of them has to be negative. Which one is it? When I add these two together, they got to give me negative 6 here. So that means the bigger number has to be negative, meaning that I have a positive 1 and a negative 7. Okay? So hopefully this is going much faster. And in this case, we have our two binomials. Okay? And we have our x's in the first position. We have 1 in the first binomial, a positive 1, and a negative 7 in the back one. Now, if we divide and slide, we're only dividing and sliding by 1, so nothing changes, right? Literally, if I was to divide this by 1, nothing changes. 1 goes into everything evenly. And so, therefore, there's really no need to divide and slide when A is equal to 1. That's what I was talking about in the last video, okay? A is equal to 1, so, when you multiply this back out using FOIL or whatever you want to use, when you end up multiplying this stuff back out, this is not necessary, like I said, you end up getting this at the top. And so I believe you already knew how to do that. It looks like you got the correct answer. Yep. So hopefully this is helping. Peace.